Hi, I'm Dr. Capell at Queen Creek Veterinary Clinic, and I will be talking to you about kennel cough.
What exactly is kennel cough and what does it sound like when a dog has it?
Kennel cough is an upper respiratory virus. When a dog contracts it, they start having a dry coughing noise.
What should I look for to determine if boarding kennel is safe and has high standards for their pet's health?
I would look at online reviews as well as ask for a tour of this facility, and you want to make sure that the kennels are clean, the dogs don't look overly stressed, um, and that they have good spacing between kennels.
My puppy has had some of their shots, but not all of them. Is it safe for them to go to doggy daycare or a kennel?
If your dog does not have all of its vaccinations yet, then I would not recommend bringing it to a kennel or a grooming salon.
If a dog is fully vaccinated, is it still possible for them to get kennel cough?
They can still get kennel cough even if fully vaccinated, just like humans and the flu vaccine. It will just be a milder case of it.
Okay, that's really helpful. Thanks so much.
Thank you.